pull some stuff out.
So, you know, I tried to keep it light. Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Galentine sweetheart table.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the plate, turn it over, put a couple things of tape on here, and then we're just going to tape it to the wall, making sure our spacing is pretty even. There you go.
See how rewind when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good to you. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
Happy Valentine's Day.